Hi, and welcome to another Blender Generate Modifiers series. So we're going to go over what's it called? The build modifier. So this causes the face of the mesh to appear or disappear, and I'll show you what that actually means. So let's add a build modifier to this, right? We're going to go to 1 right here. So nothing's going to show up. It's going to disappear on us. And then we're going to change up the start frame to 10. So at frame 10 over here, that's when this object that we added the modifier to will start appearing, but it'll appear piece by piece. And then it'll, for 10 seconds, build itself back up. So let's play it. And let's make this a little longer so you can see what's going on a little better, I guess. And we can just move it. So as we go to 10, faces will start to appear for the object, and it'll slowly build itself up. This is pretty cool. If you've ever seen some YouTube Blender videos about how someone builds like a house, like this is one of the modifiers that they use for that, because I think they can use a combination of this modifier and like a follow path. So like when they build, like, let's say a dining room, they'll bring in the parts of that dining room set, and those objects will also start building themselves in a weird way. And part of it is because they randomize it right here. All right, so yeah, so it won't build like piece by piece. It'll build randomly from piece by piece. And we can also do the reverse. So the object could already be appearing, and we want it to like disappear, but in a in a build manner kind of way. So then we just put play, and like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. And it's pretty interesting though. So I'll kind of do what they do on other YouTube videos where like they bring it in and they slowly build it. So yeah, let's do that. All right, so let's go to 0 right here. Let's delete this, and we're gonna do Shift A, mesh. Nope. Oh yes, curve, path, and let's go to edit mode. And that path is either going this way or that way. So then tab, object, Shift A, let's add the object we want to follow that path. So UV sphere is pretty nice. All right, so just put play. Nothing's gonna happen, right? So select the curve and your object, and then put Control P. Oh, sorry. Control P. Oh, that's weird. So Shift and this, then Control P. Shift P. Oh, sorry. Okay, so you select the object, then the path, and then Control P, and that's follow path right here, right? So we put play. It'll follow the path, but that way. All right, so let's go back, and we know it's going this way. So let's select this X, and we're gonna put it over here, and it's gonna follow that way. So then we add our modifier, the build, and it's gonna start right around here building, and that's, let's see, when is it here at what time? So put so 20. All right, so at 20 it's gonna start. So we're gonna put start frame 20, and then we're gonna go for about 30 seconds build. All right, and now we just put play. Oh, that's cool, right? Now let's randomize it. Put a random seed in there, and yeah, let's see how it builds. Oh, nice. All right. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this modifier. It's really cool though. So just, play around with paths and uh, other things and use the build modifier to create like really cool animations. All right. Good luck and until the next time.